At ExTravelMoney.com, sending money from India to Australia is a breeze. Let's start. Your first step is to choose Australia as your destination country. Input the amount you want to transfer. Choose your purpose for remittance. With just a few clicks, your remittance requirements are set. Input your location in India from where the transfer will be made. We will show you different options with their exchange rates and charges near your location. Pick the one that suits you best and place your order. Our dedicated customer support will then contact you for order confirmation and document collection. Upon confirmation, send your money to us. We'll make sure it reaches your chosen destination in Australia within 24 to 48 hours. With ExTravelMoney, money transfer is as easy as 1, 2, 3. ExTravelMoney.com, fast, secure, reliable. Start your transfer today.